I wanted to share with you today is a powerful hadith. That is a dua, and it is most definitely considered a dua that is stronger than all medicine that is out there. So this companion Uthman ibn Abi al-As radiyallahu anhu, once he came to the Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam and he said, Ya Rasulullah, I'm experiencing a serious illness and pain in my body. It's almost going to kill me. So now the Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam is going to teach him a powerful dua. He said, put your hands on where you experience the pain in your body. In another narration, put your right hand on where you're experiencing the pain in your body. Maybe a headache, it may be back pain, it may be something in your leg, something in your arm, in your wrist. No matter where the pain is, put your right hand on that pain. And then the Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam said to him, say Bismillahi thalathan. Say Bismillah 3 times. Bismillah, Bismillah, Bismillah. And then afterwards say أعوذ بعزة الله وقدرته من شر ما أجد وأحاذر. And you say this one 7 times. As found in other narrations, Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, so once you've put your right hand on where the pain is, and you've said Bismillah 3 times, and then you've said أعوذ بعزة الله وقدرته من شر ما أجد وأحاذر, he said to him, remove your hand, remove it, then put it again and say أعوذ بعزة الله وقدرته من شر ما أجد وأحاذر. And you do this until you reach a total of 7 times, which is an odd number. So what we're saying in this dua is Bismillah 3 times. Of course, the best matters are the matters in where you begin with the name of Allah Azza wa Jal. Afterwards we say أعوذ بعزة الله وقدرته. Allahu Akbar. So basically what we're saying is I seek refuge in Allah's izzah and qudrah. I seek refuge in Allah's might and power and ability from all that I am feeling of pain and of fear. وأحاذر. Subhanallah. From the evil of what I am experiencing and the pain and the illness that I am suffering. Brothers and sisters, it may be a physical pain. It may be an emotional pain. It may be psychological pain. No matter what the case is, من شر ما أجد, from the pain and the distress that I'm currently experiencing. And then the word وأحاذر. وأحاذر, it refers to what you feel. Ibn Uthaymeen rahimahullah, he said, if one says this with certainty and absolute faith and conviction, believing that it will benefit him by the permission of Allah, he said, then most definitely the pain, insha'Allah, will subside and will go away. Then he said, this is more effective than physical remedies like tablets that people may take, or medicinal syrups, or injections, or surgeries, or whatever it is that the people do. He says, you are seeking refuge in the one who brought down this sickness and decreed it for you. So he is the only one who can remove it and protect you from it. Subhanallah. And finally, and I conclude with this one matter, and that is that, so let's say someone is in the hospital and he's unable to do this for himself, by placing your right hand on where the sickness is, and then you may wipe his whole body. Let's say if the cancer has spread across his entire body and there's pain in all of his body, you may do that as well.